Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be styling one jeans and you guys are going to see 5 different outfits. Yes guys, so it's going to be very interesting. I've been thinking about this video for a very long time, so let's get started. I am so excited guys. I can make this video very long, but we'll keep it for next time. So this is the jeans that I am obsessed with. I don't even need to show you all क्योंकि I'm so sure कि आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. But since आज का वीडियो का highlight है ये jeans, so of course I need to show it. So it looks like this. This is from Tokyo Tokes. I am wearing in size 30. It's little loose on me. You guys can go for a smaller size also. But I like ऐसा type का fitting. So if you like fittings like me जो मैं थोड़ा लूज पसंद करती हूँ, so you can go for a size bigger or you can just check out description, you know. And yeah, this is from Tokyo Tokes. It's in size 30 and the color is so pretty. I have been wearing this like almost every day. I got this 3 months ago and इसका color अभी तक गया नहीं है and it's been in a very good quality that I had to talk about this. And I always see myself wearing this, you know, क्योंकि दिल्ली में अभी इतना ज़्यादा गर्मी है ना, but also I wear jeans. That's because इसका जो material है वो इतना ज़्यादा सही है. जो नॉर्मली जीन्स होते हैं वो आप ऐसे फोल्ड भी नहीं कर पाते, बट दिस वन यू कैन. ये कलर का जो जीन्स है ये अभी इतना ट्रेंड में है, सो आई फील लाइक इट्स अ परफेक्ट डील, यू नो, क्योंकि 500 रुपीज़ में मिला है एंड द क्वालिटी इज़ सो गुड. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टाइल दिस with my 5 different tops and in 5 different ways, let's say, क्योंकि सबका vibe थोड़ा अलग अलग है and I'm very excited. Also let me show you all 2 more things जो नहीं 3 more things जो consistent होने वाला है ये वीडियो में. So I'm going to show you all 3 bags क्योंकि ये होगा consistent in my video with all the outfit. Here is the first one which I am obsessed with. Recently मैंने ये check किया था तो ये out of stock था, but इसका अलग color available है, so you guys can go and check it out. I would highly recommend to go for like beige color ताकि आप बहुत different way में भी, you know, like you can carry it. तो ये जो bag है ना, it's very nice, okay. It has बहुत ज़्यादा space and the best thing is it's only for 470 something. ये आप ऐसा ना sling back करके ऐसा लंबा करके भी पहन सकते हैं, या you can also wear it like this, like a tote bag kind of, sorry, like a shoulder bag. And इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ fit आ जाता है, so that's a very good thing. Now coming to the next one, it will be this bag. It's a mini bag. I love this so much. I got this विंटर के टाइम में एंड आई बिन कैरिंग इट अ लॉट. आई एम श्योर यू गाइस हैव सीन इट. इसका जो ऐसा डिटेलिंग है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है एंड दिस इज़ फ्रॉम द ब्रांड मिराजो. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम अमेजोन एंड इट वॉज फॉर 1500 रुपीज़ विच आई फील इट्स अ वेरी गुड डील. यू गाइस कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. या गाइस ये कलर आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है, सो यू कैन गो फॉर द ब्लैक वन. मैंने ब्लैक वाला मेरे दोस्त को रिसेंटली बर्थडे गिफ्ट में दिया था एंड शी लव्स इट अ लॉट. वी लव टू ट्विन ऑल्सो. So yeah, that's also very pretty, so you guys can go and check out that one. I'll link it for you all अगर stock में है तो. Here's the last bag and it is white in color, so it's very versatile. It's a shoulder bag. I love shoulder bag guys and I carried this recently also. और ना ये आपका outfit, simple सा outfit को भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखाते हैं, which is a very good thing. And it has this gold detailing and this is my very simple सा nice looking bag. So here's outfit number 1. I've paired it up with a white color ka t-shirt. This is from the brand Junberry. It's in a really good quality and the price for the t-shirt is only 347 rupees, which makes a very affordable outfit. What do you guys think about it? Do let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I need to tell you all this too, that the t-shirt that I'm wearing here is little see-through, so you have to wear something inside, like the seamless one, you know, something in gray color or maybe in white color. I'm wearing gray color here and it looks really nice. And here's the bag that I'm pairing it up with. I love how this bag complements my outfit and I can carry a lot of stuff in this bag. और ये जो bag है ना, ये देखने में इतना casual सा है. It just gives that casual वाला look to this outfit. But if I want to switch this up, I can just carry a mini sling bag, which is this blue one. And again, it will look so good, as you guys can see. What you guys think about this look, do let me know in the comment section. And moving on to my next look. Okay, so for my second look, I'm pairing it up with this green color ka shirt, which was out of stock for the longest time, but now it's in stock, so you guys can go and check it out. I love how this shirt looks on me, and the hand detailing does everything for me. I'm sure you guys have seen me wearing this a lot. That's because whenever I want to wear shirt, I don't know, I reach out for this shirt only. It's so comfortable and it has its own uniqueness. So yeah, I love it. There are so many more colors available, so you guys can go and check it out if green is not your vibe. If you're wearing simple सा bottom भी ना और अगर आप ये shirt पहनोगे then it will make your look so much better. Since the color green is already popping up, so yeah, let's carry a very simple सा bag. So that brings us to this white colored bag, and I feel like the bag is complementing the outfit so well. The overall color combo here is going so well. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ये outfit, and not gonna lie, I have worn this पहले भी and I see myself wearing this again also. I love this outfit. And yeah, moving on to my next outfit. So I got this kurti recently, and trust me, I have been loving this kurti so much. It's so flowy, it's very lightweight, and I love the way it looks on me. And again, this outfit is giving very casual vibe but also classy at the same time. I love this outfit. और मेरे को ना ये outfit का color combo भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. It is looking formal also. तो अगर आप ऑफिस जाते हो या you go to college, then you can wear this outfit. It looks so good. And with this outfit, I'm just carrying a mini bag, and I think it looks good. It's giving very ऐसा cafe वाला vibe भी, as you guys can see, right? What do you guys think about this look? Do let me know. But I love this short kurti so much. This has to be one of my favorite short kurtis so far, and I love the overall detailing of this short kurti. Now coming to my next one, this is the top I was obsessed with, and I love the color combo here. The white color and the dark denim color is just giving. It's so pretty. What do you guys think about this look? Do let me know because I love it. अगर ऐसा top आपका vibe है, then I think you should go and check out this one क्योंकि इसका जो material है ना, it's so good. I've been talking about इसका material for the longest time. I have spoke about this so many times on my channel क्योंकि ना इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. मेरे को ये top बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. And yeah, this is very flowy and I love it. Love the way it looks on me also. The top is already happening, so मैं इसके साथ ना एक छोटा सा बैग कैरी करूँगी. And this is the overall outfit. What do you guys think about it? मेरे को तो पसंद आया. आप लोग बताना comment section में. Now coming to my last outfit, this is the one that I wore recently to the mall और मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ये outfit because it has this very casual but also classy वाला vibe at the same time. Now it's not a secret anymore that I love wearing basic कपड़े, but जब भी मैं ऐसा मॉल जाती हूँ या I want to be little dressy today, ऐसा टाइप का vibe वाला जब feel होता है, at that time I pull out this outfit and I feel like it looks so good. Now that I've carried a bag, it looks even better. What do you guys think about this look? Do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be linking all the products in my description box. तो आप जाके check out कर लेना, and I'll see you all very soon with my next video. If you made it till here, then don't forget to comment this emoji, and I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Bye.